Here are some highlights from the July issue of Cleaner magazine. From Montana elk hunts to managing two booming Zoom drain franchises, Andrew Dixon's rise is turning heads in the sewer and drain world. Find out how this young pro went from job site rookie to franchise powerhouse and what's next for his rapidly growing empire. What do you get when a septic veteran, a hand lettering artist, and a diner owner walk into a drain cleaning business? One of Ohio's busiest and most beloved service operations. Allen Drain's no-frills approach, old-school charm, and modern tech is a blueprint for growth done right. What would you do if OSHA showed up today? If your answer starts with panic, you need this guide. Make sure you're not just fixing disasters. Help your customers prevent them using these practical tips. If you're running a business without a financial game plan, you're winging it. Start winning it instead. Turn to page 46. The future of trenchless starts in your own backyard. NASTT's national mission is big, but the real action happens at the local level. Find out how on page 50. Included with this month's issue is the annual Cleaner Buyer's Guide. Use it all year round as a reference for everything your business needs to grow and flourish. Cherney's mechanical cleanout plug takes the hassle out of leak testing with tool-free setup, high-pressure performance, and no nasty backsplash. All this and more in the latest issue of Cleaner magazine, free for drain cleaning professionals. Thank you for watching, and thank you for reading Cleaner. See you next month.